Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your location to the United States on the Instacart app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your location to the United States. Maybe you're from Canada and you're moving to the United States. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click on the upper right-hand corner, your profile icon. Next, click on Settings. From here, you want to go ahead and scroll down to where it says App Settings, and then click on United States of America. So this is where you can toggle between the Canada country or the United States, but keep in mind that you'll only see your items, orders, and addresses that apply to each country. So if there's a grocery store in Canada and you select the United States, you will no longer see that grocery store in the United States. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your country to the United States on the Instacart app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.